But I want to just remind you that the reason glucagon is released is that, as we discussed yesterday, the brain senses a drop in blood glucose. So it sends signals to the pancreas to increase glucagon release. It sends other signals to increase epinephrine synthesis, cortisol, and so on. So the key there was a drop in serum glucose. So that's the normal body response, is sense or notice a drop in serum glucose, you respond by producing glucagon, epinephrine, and cortisol. If the body doesn't respond appropriately, you're going to have a condition called hypoglycemia, meaning a decrease in normal serum glucose. Probably anything below, say, 70 milligrams. The normal concentration is somewhere between 80 to 100 milligrams per deciliter. So if glucose drops significantly, say to about half, you're going to its normal concentration, 40 to 50 milligrams per deciliter, you're going to, the body will start, that again has to do with that brain sensing the drop. And usually the body can respond in one of two ways. So the first symptoms are called adrenergic symptoms. So you get anxiety, tremor, palpitations. That's the brain telling you there's not enough glucose in the bloodstream. And usually the release of glucagon and so on ensues. But if it doesn't, it becomes even worse. So you're gonna get confusion, aberrant behavior, could even lead to coma. So there's really two ways that two types of symptoms can result. For the first one is the more common one, that the body is trying to respond by, the brain is trying to respond by increasing, say, glucagon and epinephrine. In the second case, these symptoms or the drop in glucose happens so gradually that the brain doesn't even register. So they can be much more serious, and they can result in can result in seizures, coma, and that's because usually of a slow drop in glucose that kind of the brain does not detect. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.